Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special episode of Globe Talks. I'm Kusala Besinge, your host for today, and I'm here with one of our regular hosts, junior science lover Mohammad Zohaib. How are you doing today, Zohaib?
Hi Kusal, firstly thank you for having me and I'm doing fine actually today. How are you so far?
I'm also doing very well this fine day. So, the show, this show where we talk about amazing life and the amazing planet that we live in and how we can protect it. Today's topic, biodiversity conservation. Basically, how to keep Earth's web of life from unraveling. It's not just about the saving the cute animals, though we love pandas. It's about protecting the very systems that keep us alive. So let's start simple. What exactly is biodiversity?
Okay, so Kusal, biodiversity is the variety of all living things on Earth. So from elephants to earthworms, oak trees to orchids, and even the microbes you can't see. It's not just the number of species, but also the variety within species and the ecosystems they form.
Yeah, so basically, biodiversity is like Earth's orchestra. Every species plays an instrument, and all together they make the music of life.
Exactly. Take out too many instruments and the music falls apart.
So, alright, if biodiversity is so important, why are we losing it so quickly?
So there are about 4 to 5 factors because of that. So firstly, it's because of us humans. The biggest threats include habitat loss, so that's turning forests into farmlands or cities. Secondly, over exploitation, so that's overfishing, overhunting, overharvesting. Thirdly, pollution, so that's plastics, pesticides, and industrial waste. Fourth is climate change, so that's shifting where species can live. And finally, invasive species, when outsiders disrupt local ecosystems.
So, we are kind of like messy housemates who keep breaking the furniture and forgetting to clean up.
Exactly. Except instead of a house, it's a planet. And instead of broken furniture, it's collapsing ecosystems.
But let's be honest, some people say, why does it matter if a frog in the Amazon disappears?
Okay, so let me explain to you like this. It matters because biodiversity keeps us alive. For an example, if you take food, so diverse crops mean more resilient harvests than medicine. Half of the modern medicines come from plants and animals. Ecosystem services like pollination, clean air and water purification, and then climate regulation, very important. So that's forests and oceans absorb carbon dioxide, which helps us live.
So, losing biodiversity is like pulling bricks out of a Jenga tower. Eventually, it all comes crashing down.
Exactly. And humans are standing right at the bottom of that tower.
Okay, so let's add some hope here. Has conservation actually worked as of now?
Yes, the bald eagle in the US made a comeback after pesticides were banned. Sea turtle populations are rebounding thanks to beach protection. And giant panda, once the poster child of extinction, is now off the endangered list.
That's really inspiring, Zoe. It shows that if we take action, nature can actually heal.
Exactly, Kusar. Ecosystems are resilient if we give them space and time. If we give them space and time.
Yeah. So, what can we actually do to protect biodiversity?
So there are 5 big strategies we can use, Kusal. So firstly, protecting protected areas. So it's like national parks and marine reserves, and then restoration. So that's replanting forests and restoring waterlands, maybe. Then thirdly, sustainable use. So that's like farming, fishing, and forestry that doesn't deplete resources. And fourthly, we have pollution reduction. So that's like fewer harmful chemicals and maybe less plastic as well. Then finally, we have global cooperation. So that's international agreements and shared responsibilities, which helps to organize the stability of the environment.
So, what about at the individual level? What can individuals do to help this?
So, at, so at a personal level, individuals can plant native species, reduce waste, maybe by sustainability, support conservation groups, and push for environmental policies.
So even small actions like cutting back on single-use plastic can add up.
Yes, when millions of people make small changes, the collective impact is huge.
Okay, so biodiversity isn't just about wildlife, it's about food, it's about health, it's about safety and everything that makes life possible.
And while the threats are serious, we know conservation works. Every success story proves that.
It's really about choice. Do we keep pulling bricks out of the tower or do we start building it back up?
Exactly. Protecting biodiversity means protecting our future.
So, thanks for listening to Globe Talks. Stay curious, stay hopeful, and stay committed to protecting the web of life.
See you back in the next episode. Thank you.